boy from my country days. He had my little heart floating. He lived on the road from the church I went. He was the cutest thing, but he migrated to New York. I was just 13. I was in love, so I kept in touch. And now I am just 16. Now 3 years, 6 months, 30 days. He says, well, you've been counting. I said, baby, long time I've been waiting on you, darling. And I still await, still await, still await, still await, still await on your loving. I say I still await, still await, still await on your darling. I say I still await, still await, still await, still await on your loving. I say I still await, still await, still await, still await on you. You leave me, I never felt so much pain. I'm missing you completely, hurting deeply. Until your love never felt the same. From that day on, same sad song, playing over and over again. And them always a trouble me when we go country. I can't call up your name, but boy, I still await, still await, still await, still await on your loving. I say I still await, still await, still await on your darling. I say I still await.
All right, let us hear from the judges, starting with Anthony.
Yeah. I think some of the rough edges with you are starting to be smoothed out. You sounded nice. You know, the look is, you have that down pat. A decent performance.
Alaine.
India, yes, Mama, you find it tonight. This is your best performance ever. This is the best I've seen you. You're so confident. You're such a beautiful girl, and you sounded great. And I believe that you still await. And I feel, say, we're going to wait a long time till Jamaica vote you off still. Good job, good job.
Conroy.
Package nice, arrangement nice, connection nice, key on key. You look sexy. It's just working for you tonight. Good girl.
All right, thanks, judges. Don't have Celine waiting. Put her through. All you have to do is text the word vote to 444-5502 or call 444-5502. Thanks, Celine. Cute look.